The ground trembles, the forest parts, and through the mist, mechanical monsters emerge. Join us as we showcase the world's most extreme forestry operations. One makes mistakes. What matters is how we handle them. If you're alive, your mistakes are probably minor. Exercise caution around mature arboreal specimens. These loggers aren't merely workers, they're expert operators, navigating heavy machinery through some of the most unforgiving landscapes imaginable. All right, guys, the logging game can get pretty wild sometimes. Take this skidder, for example. 1 second, it's cruising along just fine, and the next, boom, flipped over. Just goes to show you've got to take it easy and stay steady on those slopes. The C144 harvester represents a paradigm shift in forestry. Its efficiency, processing 75 cubic meters per hour, renders traditional logging method. Well, this happens to everyone, even the pros. What really matters is learning from your mistakes. Testament to its formidable torque. For those experienced with such machinery, let's delve into the most extraordinary tales of logging truck operations.
I seen that sneeze. Hey! Hey! Tell him no going. Got teeth, these young bucks. Somebody got teeth.
The back of the tree with the back cut coming towards the wedge, so he hits it correctly.
Folks, this tree is causing some major drama. Let me tell you something, folks. Working in the forest is a lot like life. It's got its highs and lows. Some days it's amazing.
Vidcuť sa.
Other days, you're just pushing through. But at the end of it all, what really matters is the materials. Its bi-directional cutting system and open cutting table design help reduce downtime and boost efficiency. With hardened steel components for durability and an energy-efficient design to cut operating costs, this machine is made to last. Whether you're shredding C&D debris, MSW, or biomass, the M&J 4000 delivers dependable, high-performance results. Observe the 1270G, a paragon of forestry engineering. Its seamless integration with the H425 exemplifies optimized harvesting protocols. This synergy not only maximizes yield, but also underscores a commitment to sustainable resource management. A truly remarkable application of cutting-edge technology against the backdrop of a majestic mountain range. The convergence of topography, olfactory stimuli, and auditory cues forms a multisensory tableau. This scene evokes a sense of temporal displacement, highlighting the enduring harmony between mankind and the natural world. Next time, leave the saw to a pro, and everything will be just fine. Hey, listen up. When you're tackling trees, safety's your buddy, right? Things got messy when the treetop crashed onto the ladder, snapping it in half and dropping the guy to the ground, chainsaw in hand. Hey, so it looks like that tree didn't go all the way down. Its kind of design doesn't compromise on power, delivering exceptional performance in confined spaces. This machine optimizes efficiency, significantly reducing labor. The 980H, an engineering marvel. Its sheer power in earth moving is undeniable, a testament to robust design. However, its true potential is realized only under a seasoned operator's control, where mastery transforms raw power into precision. It's a good reminder that even the most seasoned professionals can slip up, and sometimes a little luck can make all the difference. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Each subtle adjustment a stroke of genius.
What the taza?
All right, folks, come on in and listen up. This ain't just your run-of-the-mill tree chopping. You're watching a real pro in action, a true craftsman of the timber. Powerful machine. Designed for small to medium trees, this bobcat makes cutting and skidding logs look effortless. With the newly added timber tail grapple on the back, productivity gets a serious boost. That said, safety is still a key concern. What do you think? This guy's incredible. Living with one arm is tough, but taking down a misleaning tree? That's next-level courage and creativity. He's not just cutting wood, he's proving what's possible when we adapt and push through. A true testament to human resilience.